Hello everyone, in Dying Light the Beast game. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to read the map in this game, so stay with me and enjoy watching. So, developers of the Techland did a very good job with creating the map in this game. To open the map you have to press the M button on your keyboard, then you will be allowed to open the map. The map is huge, this is a very good and big area to discover. I'm on the beginning of my journey with this game, but I can see this is a huge place. To move through your map you have to use a right click. Also to zoom or zoom out or zoom in you have to use a scroll. You can make a waypoint by using a left mouse. You can remove the waypoint by using one more time the left click mouse. Now to read the map you have to press the Z button on your keyboard. That allows you to see all of the icons. And also if you want to hide some icons, such as I don't know, maybe unknown locations or waypoints, you can just unmark it by clicking on it and it will automatically hide on your map, which is a very good option. Well, if you get close to the map you can see the icons, the question marks, which you should visit and discover what it contains. Also you can see some stores and some zones that you can visit and possible loot that you can get in these zones. You can see the level that is required to get into this zone and clear it out without any issues. Now if you want to pin this location and get and see it on the map, then you have to just press left click and it will mark any location that you wish to. So that would be all for this video. Hope you like it. Leave a comment, like, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye!